matter na spirit. So they say people wey die for Libya, they still dey Europe, they live and nobody know. As I dey talk this matter so I dey feel they don't come catch me, I beg go. They say spirit dey exist for Europe. People wey die for Libya, they say they did this life now. They live with human being for this life. Say we don't know. I beg, I don't want to see spirit, so I beg. Welcome back to this YouTube channel, True Dreams with Lady T. Is your sister, your friends, is your girl. If this is your first time you're the get post for YouTube, or you dey watch, you never subscribe, please hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can watch more of our videos, or you will just know anytime we put video for you. Thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. Thank you. So today we want to talk about all this spirit matter. You know, this our sister give me this matter, make I talk. I dey well because I don't want come here come talk wetin go be say it not make sense, or wetin people not go understand, or wetin not dey exist. So I dey think because I never really see whether all these things they exist, but many people they talk say this thing they exist. So when this our sister tell me, I dey well, they think her. Now one of my precious mommy just post me a video of one man. They say the man, and for whether na Cameroon or so, me I not forget, me I not make mistake. Say the man don't die, the man can't go, they live for another time again. They carry girls for there, they do many things for there. They put the man picture. So let me go have this. Our mommy say this can't really they happen because somebody don't tell me a matter like this, and I never bring her come up by the reason now. So now make me come today now. Okay, make me table this our sister matter. If you really believe, I beg, I want me to shook my for this matter so that we will know see her face to face. I don't even want to see her face to face or her because the way I see for a dream. I hide. So I beg, I don't want to see her face to face. So that we'll still believe say all this kind of thing they happen. For this story, when you say me want tell you now, so now true life story, may you just sit down, but may you listen to anyone. This story when I want to talk. So, but if you're busy, no problem. If you just put your phone, they cook or they do anything, or they office, they listen with your earpiece. But if you don't say you really get chance, not miss any part of this story, just suffer and take your time. Sit down, but may you listen to this our sister story. So the story be say this our sister is saying, yeah, this guy they did together. When this guy begin the touch the toaster, the guy tell her say he tell her yes, into he consider the guy you can't be like saying use 2 years stay senior this guy. He say come where he can look and he can say well since now 2 years not bad, it's no problem for him. Say age is just a number, say no problem for him. So they can start to they know as they day now later now the girl can discover say the guy they lie well and not be 2 years he takes senior and now 4 years now she takes senior. I say because for her 4 years he say too much, at least 2 years now manage, but that 4 years he say too much. Though the guy he age he look big, you know, some people their age or small for their age or look big, but for his age he look bigger than the guy. Both of them they work out, you know, we even think say the guy even senior the guy safe. So he said they come there like that. They come they date. He said, but what you can they notice from this guy they different from other guys. In your lifestyle, they different. He said if the guy speak Bini finish, you say na Bini person because na Bini need they be. If he speak Agbo finish today, you say this guy na Agbo person. He said because he no know, he can ask and say, how come you they be Bini and you they speak Agbo like this? How come? He say continue saying go Awuchi Polytechnic, na Awuchi for learn how to they speak all this language, na school, na this, na that. But for Awuchi na Agbo they speak for the Obini. I don't understand that part, but now what she tell me now, so I talk on here. So anyway, won't forget about that side. Then he got to say the guy, the way they behave, it did different from other guys. He said this guy know their Facebook, he know their Instagram, anything social network. The guy know they like her, he know like today, and he know they like to take picture too. If you just say on Nemo just take picture now, the girl say no, you know they like to take picture, you know they like all this social something. He said when they look her, he said they think about that one and another thing again. He know they date her for some years now, he don't know any of his family, and he never ever see one they say he died Nigerian number or he call Nigerian number. He said I continue and say, you know they call house. He said no, you know they call us a girl because what they do they chop him money, and anytime he call them also money. That's why you know they call house. He can they imagine say family dey chop money, at least they'll still see one person for family when be say you still dey call. You say come dey reason that one for him mind, say I hope say this guy not be spiritual. He dey fear. You see, apart from that one again, the guy come dey find work. He come know one oyibo man wey be say dey help people for work. He come tell the man, say abeg help this my guy for work. The man come say okay, make no problem, make he bring the picture come and other things. He tell am say bring picture. You see, he no know where for go root old picture come out. Old picture. He come tell am say now your new picture you need to present for this this man. He say no, now this one, if the man not take am with this picture, make the man arrest. You say, consider the tick and say, which guy this thing be this? And they can they look the way they behave, they get the way they behave one kind, they behave strange. And he say sometimes he go talk say if they just they put story, just they talk, he go say he don't fit die, he not fit die 2 times, he don't fit die, he not fit die 2 times. He say go the reason and say, which guy person be this? He say, he can't tell us, say, I beg, at least I need to know your family. For how long you don't date together? I need to know your family. He can't tell us, say, you know, if you introduce her to the family, he get reason. Say, class, okay, even though say you don't want to introduce me to your mama or your papa, but you get sisters now. Introduce me to your sister. Me and your sister, if they rappers in gay and gay. He said, no, say no, go introduce her to your sister. Say, when they see they use the tongue, they count her teeth, a bit spit. He said, when they count her. You understand? He said, so now so the guy, they do different behavior, you know, they behave strange. The guy, he go they talk say he don't die. He say one day the guy come they talk say when they from Libya they come. Say their motor come get accident for road. Everybody come die for the road. Another motor when they come rescue him. Come up for there. He say now there he come they reason say I be that time when he say their motor get accident, everybody die for inside. I be there more people when he die. He come join another motor. He say because now 2013. Now that this thing happened and he enter Europe that same period of 2013, 2014. He said that one he come the reason say he don't understand this guy. He said because he consider the fear. He said now they can tell and say if you don't introduce me to your family, this relationship is finished. Finito. He not do again. He said he come the verse. He said now the guy can say okay, no problem. He go introduce her to the family. He come the happy. Now the guy just call and say, hey, I want to introduce you to my family now. But the problem is say my family, they not go agree. Make I marry you because I use 4 years stay senior you. And I want really marry you. What we go do? We'll just do secret marriage. We'll just do secret marriage. You born for me, my family. Maybe after we don't marry, you don't born. My family will come agree to accept you. He say come reason and say how you go do secret marriage without say the man family no dey. He say now they can't decide for a man say no, he no fit do secret marriage. He don't pass that level when be saying go come they do secret marriage. At least maybe if you know your parents, maybe say they no agree before we come decide. So okay, more we do the secret marriage. No be say I never ever see your parents say maybe they no agree. Then I come follow you do secret marriage. You say you know they do secret marriage. This relationship is end since. You say you know show me your family and me are not ready for secret marriage. I want to move on with my life and you are free to move on with your life. We not quarrel. Everybody more share Gary. He said the guy can say okay, no problem. You can go. You are free to go. He said now so he can't take go. Now so they can't take share Gary. After they share Gary finish, this one going on, that one going on. Then this guy not call for months. He not call. He can't imagine say so this boy not really love me because if he really love me as we share Gary, supposed to disturb me to call me say okay I don't agree for what you talk I'll introduce you to my family oh yeah come. This guy not call and nothing. He say as he can't wait he say he not come. You say like I say he gonna move on with his life. Say he get one guy when be say he just see the disturber ever since when he leave this guy. He say okay may just be with this guy. Say though the day very far place distance and I separate them well because where the guy they far. He says, so yeah, that guy, they come, they talk for phone. The guy, they talk to her every time that they talk. The guy don't even introduce her to all the family. They don't even, they talk how they want to marry, except they never even see. When they say, may they first see first, may they hold on. The guy don't introduce her to the brothers, the sisters, even the cousins. He say, come, they happy with this guy. So, okay, this one, they okay. He go deal with this new guy. So the guy come, they plan to come see her. Because she not fit still go see this guy because of work, you understand? He said that they plan to see each other, but they talk, but you know they talk to the guy family because every day they must talk reach 3-4 times a day, you know. He said one day Then he just surprised. That one just begin dey call. Because when that one relationship does strong, this one come begin dey call the old one where he say na spirit. He said that one just begin dey call. He said someone dey call. Then he go say, now you want call dey call. I don already involve myself with another person. He say he come dey call. He come say abeg, I dey miss you. That your sweet food when you dey cook. I want come eat Africa food. He dey hungry me. He come tell am say, abeg no come again. I don move on with my life. Ever since you no call, why be say now when my relationship wan work, now you wan call? It's okay, abeg, me I just come eat. I just feel like eating African food. I just feel like eating your food. You just come dey tell her. He come do cause okay, come if na because of the food, come eat. I will still cook, give you your carry go. But for the relationship, he not take. He say no problem. He say now so the guy can't take come. He say the guy can't come. He can't cook I swallow food, which is semo and better soup. He can't cook the guy can't eat. The guy can't eat finish, he can't relax. It says the guy relax finish. Now the guy come on and not verse so if I they talk on and not the verse. Now as a matter be, if this one not see, they are not go see talk him. It says the guy relax finish. Now the guy just come, he just begin you understand me now. He said before the guy you make anything, say you come well, like the way is so quiet. He say come be like it don't so called. He say because say road when person don't fair pass to pass am, it dey very easy to pass. He say and he don't take since all this months, almost 8 months, nothing, no show, nothing. And the body now, the washing machine need dance. Say so he just come well like it don't so called here. Before you know it, the happen, he can dey calculate, he can dey target. Say he no go green make it be say the washing machine he pour the water. You understand? He say as the washing machine don dey shake, say washing machine wan wash finish now go dey make book. He say where the washing machine for dey make book. When you just see say the washing machine wan start to dey rest, he say na so he just push am comot because he see am say he ready to you understand now. He say na so he push am. He say as he push am na he see a korokoro eye say everything pour, all the washing machine cloth pour. He see am with the korokoro. He come say so he no bother to take anything because he feels everything pour for there, not enter inside. He said now so he just relax his mind do. He said he can't wait to make a flower come. Flower not gree come. But it never still reach the time when flower want to come, or he still get like some days make flower come. He said that day he can't dream. He can see people come they surround her. One person go come, he go sing. Many ladies they surround her for inside the dream. One lady go come, he go sing, he go dance, he go. Another one go come again, he go sing, he go dance. He said the one come, the one come touch the stomach. He can say this baby no position well. We need to position this baby well. Baby when it don't dey 7 months now still small like this. No, this baby not dey well. He said the woman can't use and rub the stomach. As he rub the stomach, he can say everything don't dey okay. He don't position where everything don't dey okay. He said now so he can say wake up. He can say which kind of dream be this? Then he can go look another. He still get 2 days to go. He said after that 2 days, flower no come. He wait for flower, he not see flower. Then he can say but that day he push am. How he can't say enter when he say flower no come? He said because that day when he be say the guy can't eat, he said immediately the guy come out, he block the guy because they hope say if the guy come, he go come tell us okay, see my mama number, see my papa number, or see my sister's number, my family number. Now wetin they hope, but that day the boy not talk anything like that. After he eat finish, he jogodo finish, he just go. He said now that annoying until you block the guy. He and the guy they not communicate again. That's how the matter ends. Then why because say flower no come? Then because which kind of wahala be this? He said, I said block the guy. He just say me open he come off the phone because he get another line. He just say me open the phone. He just see say the guy don't give a million missed calls, million messages for his cell phone. He said later, see just they go through the messages. Since he say one strange number, they write down. They tell am say hello. He can't reply, say hello, hi. He said before you know it the apple, now he can't tell am say I beg that my okra when I plant for inside there. That okra, it don't grow. Not tell me say anything happen to that okra. That okra now boy pikin. And make sure say you keep my okra for me. He say he can't shock. He can't say who be this? Now then he can't say na the guy. How the guy tell no say okra grow? They can't tell the guy say, oh, okra no grow. He say na like dey talk o, say he don see am for dream say okra grow, and that okra make sure say he keep am, make sure say he no temper that okra. He say he come dey fear again, come dey cash am. Which kind of woman be this? How you want to do this one? And the other guy now, he don't bet ticket say in dey come. Make he let that one come, or make he not let am come, or make he leave the okra, or make he comot the okra. What do you think say make this our sister do? Until now, the guy not ready to tell am say see who my family be. For her, she dey feel say that guy na spirit. But spirits really dey exist? What do you think, you when they watch this video right now? What do you think about this matter? What do you think, which decision you want make this our sister take now? Because she really don't confuse, because you that guy, she just dey ready to do everything, marriage and all, even say they come. Make it stop it coming, because this one now, he don't threaten now, say anything happen to that okra, you go see what they find. He don't know what he want to do, he don't confuse. Whether make it continue with the okra, or make it go remove the okra. What do you think, my people? Because this matter, my people, I don't feel loud now. Because at the year that I don't watch out for film. When I small that time, when social media never really did like that, I dey see say people they talk say so person. Now so they see her for so place, so you don't get family. You know, people they talk her. I don't know that really they exist. I don't feel loud now. I never see her with this my koro eye. But for dream, I don't see many people when you don't die, they'll come they talk to me. So even they send me message say, I go they fear. If I know they even they pray to God. I say, God, I don't want to dream about this kind of dream again. I not just want that, or because I know they be myself again. God go catch me till they break. And now, this our sister don't talk to you. So this thing really did happen. Which advice you get for this our sister? I beg my brothers and sisters. I know say this our channel, a new channel with her, not be your down one. But anyhow, Ogoro must grow. Ogoro, you understand now. So we will see how we'll assist this our sister. I mean, if you watch this video, not just go like that to just leave your comment for there. Tell our sister the next step to do, if to leave the okra or to continue with the okra, or to remove the okra. What do you think, you when they watch me? So as you put your comment there, God bless you. And I know my WhatsApp group, my precious people, my beautiful people, my comedian people, with the quarrel, no tit and tongue, they quarrel. We see they settle, don't they talk of our matter, what talk and go carry enemy. So that's what this our WhatsApp group is. So anyway, wanna leave on a comment, and God bless you as you support this our sister for advice. So thank you so much for watching, and God bless you. Yeah, no video that channel, don't forget. This one another one. Okay, anyway, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and please subscribe to this channel. I beg you, subscribe to this channel. Don't go, please subscribe and like and share. Bye.